Hey, let me introduce you guys to my wife. This is Cindy.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our channel.
So Cindy, do you like gold or diamonds better?
Let me think. Gold. Always go with gold.
Always go with gold, huh? I put myself in a lose-lose situation, didn't I? But learn from my mistakes, because today we're gonna go to Gold Mountain. Gold Mountain is a black diamond trail. It's meant to be.
Better be worth it.
Ideally, we would want to explore more beyond the easy tracks. Nori has this odd habit of suggesting difficult trails. But only when we leave our comfort zone is when our skills improve. Here's what to expect when going up Gold Mountain. You've got some easygoing dirt trails, and then you have some ascending and descending switchbacks. You will run into some waterfall rock shelves, and these are going to be your main obstacles. You'll see rocks, a lot of rocks. There's going to be a huge rock garden, and I expect you to check that one out. And a really fun afternoon. But the ride might get a little bumpy. No such thing as a free lunch. And so we began hitting the road. I'm running the Landcruiser stock, other than the 33s, and Nori is running the Gobi Gladiator Rubicon on factory specs. Wow, look at that flex! That's what a live axle can do for you. I would like to give a shout out to Cindy for being dedicated camerawoman on this trip. If you think she's doing a good job behind the camera, drop us a like, and this will encourage her to come out with us on future trips. Oh yeah! We ascended switchback after switchback with some minor turbulence, keeping things interesante. And the trail keeps things interesante by adding some speed bumps, or topes. If you didn't know, Mexico has speed bumps that are like 3 times larger than here in the US, and they're called topes. Correct me in the comments below if I'm just butchering this word. Appreciate it. And right around the corner, out of nowhere, the road opens up to your wildest dreams or just a huge nightmare. Welcome to your first obstacle. Took me a couple tries, but somehow I got up there. Let's see how the Gladiator's doing. Wait, what? He made that look so simple. Well begun is half done. Does Gold Mountain seem easy to you? Well, that's because it is in a sense. It's been confirmed that larger rocks in the past that made up these rock shelves have been broken up into smaller chunks by vehicular travel throughout the years. We are going over the smaller remnants these days that require less ground clearance. Not too far from the first obstacle is the second shelf. Nori went through okay without having any issues, but I opted for the bypass. I didn't think there was enough clearance on the cruiser to make it through without getting damaged. Up ahead, more ascending dirt roads and switchbacks, with the occasional rocky surprise. You're in for a huge surprise actually if this is the first time you've come to Gold Mountain. Seeing this in person is going to be your main event. When you're at this crossroad, this is the first chance you get to enter the rock garden. So head right to enter the garden, or head left to go on the bypass, and eventually you'll run into an easier second entrance. We couldn't help ourselves, we just went in. And man, that sound, the sound of rocks crunching underneath your tires, that's not something you hear every day. Well, it ended up not working out for the Landcruiser. The rocks got a little too big, and I was really feeling the limitations of a stock vehicle. If your vehicle can handle this trail, come out and see it for yourself. Or once bitten, twice shy. Maybe the first time you tried this trail was 20 years ago and you couldn't afford to make it up here. Well, things are easier now, so you might be able to make it through with all the bypasses and the easier lines to take. You won't want to miss out. Many lessons learned in one afternoon. As a driver, this was the first time that I've gone up such aggressive rocky shelves, and this trail really hammered the importance of having rock sliders and a lift. I want to thank our returning viewers for joining us on our adventure here on Gold Mountain. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more overland trips and insights. The rest of this trail is easy going, with the exception of one minor, optional rocky hill climb. Oh man, once we upgrade our vehicles, we're going to tackle this trail again with full force. Gold Mountain, we're coming back for you.